Hi students. So in this video now we are going to discuss the TSBIE 2021 model paper analysis of MATS 2B and also deleted portion. Let us see first chapter wise. Okay, so now what is the first chapter we are having, and another thing is this time they have increased the choice. Already I told you in my previous video, MATS 2A. So 10 SAQs you are going to get, out of which you have to write only 5 SAQs, and 10 LAQs, out of which you have to write only 5 LAQs. That already I have explained in MATS 2A my previous video. So this is the extension of that one. So MATS 2B portion, the first chapter, already we know circles. In circles there is no deleted portion. So total chapter you have to practice. There is no deletions from the circles chapter. So but the weightage is increased this time, and we are going to get 3 LAQs from this chapter, and similarly 2 SAQs and 2 VSAQs. So from circle chapter, the more weightage is there this time. So we are going to get 3 LAQs, 2 SAQs and 2 VSAQs. So 3 into 7, 21 marks, plus 2 SAQs, 8 marks, plus 2 VSAQs, 4 marks. Total 33 marks weightage is there. So highest weightage in MATS 2B circles this time. So we are going to get 33 marks from the circle chapter, as there is no deletion in the this chapter. Now coming to the 3 LAQs means this time we can expect as usual. So finding the equation of the circle whenever the 3 points are given, and otherwise by giving the 4 points, show that the 4 points are concyclic. Otherwise by giving the 4 points, if the 4 points are concyclic, find the value of C. That model you may get for one question from that model, and the second question you may get from the tangents. Either they may ask direct common tangents or transverse common tangent, and another one is third question, miscellaneous problems. So miscellaneous models you will get. So be careful and practice more from circle chapter, and 2 SAQs and 2 VSAQs also we are going to get circle chapter. So total 33 marks and no deletion from the circle chapter. You have to practice all the important questions whatever you are having up to previous years. So for this year also. So this is May 2021, only for this year. So that is the reason model is changed. That's why I am keeping these videos. So May 2021, and coming to the second chapter, system of circles. Second chapter is system of circles, and from system of circles also there is no deletion from this chapter. So that's why you have to practice for all the problems. And coming to the weightage of the chapter, 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ and 1 VSAQ from this chapter. We are going to get 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ and 1 VSAQ. So 7 plus 4 plus 2, we are going to get 13 marks from this system of circles. So whatever we are having previous important problems up to previous years, already we are having important questions. Go through all those questions. So why? Because the no deletion is there from this chapter, system of circles. So next coming to the parabola. So according to the model paper given by Telangana State BIE 2021, that paper only we are discussing. Okay, so according to the Telangana State BIE model paper 2021, which they have given in their website, so we are analyzing only that paper here. So MATS 2B paper we are discussing parabola. So coming to the parabola chapter, actually in parabola chapter, equations of the tangent and normal, based on the tangent and normal problems all deleted from parabola chapter. So wherever tangent and normal is there, so you can neglect those problems. Why? Because they have clearly mentioned equation of tangent and normal at a point on the parabola has been deleted. So that's why no need to practice the problems based on tangent and normal. So now coming to the weightage of the chapter, if we see the weightage of the chapter, we are going to get one VSAQ and one LAQ from this chapter. So one LAQ and one VSAQ you are going to get. So there is no weightage of 4 marks SAQs. So 7 plus 2, total 9 marks from this chapter. From parabola we are going to get 9 marks. So I think whenever tangents or normals are deleted means we can concentrate morely from LAQ. Already we are having the previous years also we are having the weightage of LAQ from the chapter parabola. So standard equation of the parabola and similarly area of the triangle formed by 3 points on the parabola. So this time no need to practice the problem. Area of the triangle formed by the 3 tangent points of intersection of the 3 tangents on the parabola. So by because tangents and normals has been deleted, so concentrate on standard form of the parabola and finding the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points on the parabola. Next, coming to the fourth chapter is ellipse. Fourth chapter is ellipse. So in ellipse also same thing, they have deleted equation of tangent and normal. So equation of tangent and normal at a point on the ellipse, that has been deleted. So that's why all the problems which are containing tangents and normals on ellipse you can neglect those problems. So that means here you can expect the problems by giving the equation, finding the eccentricity, latus rectum, equation of axis, length of major axis, length of minor axis. So like that, whatever the problems we are having, that you can concentrate more in ellipse and hyperbola also. So coming to the weightage of this ellipse chapter, we are going to get 2 SAQs, only 2 SAQs we are going to get. So previously we are having 1 SAQ, this time we are going to get 2 SAQs, that is 4 plus 4, 8 marks we are going to get from this ellipse chapter. And coming to the hyperbola chapter, again hyperbola chapter also this problems has been deleted, that is the equation of tangent and normal at a point on the hyperbola, and they have given from Telugu Academy textbook exercise 5A section 2 onwards and related examples. Exercise 5A section 2 onwards and related examples they have mentioned in the deleted syllabus. So but if you see the Academy textbook, I think section 2 first problem is again equation is given and he is asking us to find the length of major axis, length of length of conjugate axis, length of transverse axis, similarly equation of the conjugate axis, finding the eccentricity, all these things they are given. So but even though it is better, why? Because that problem does not contain the concept of tangent or normal. So that's the reason, under benefit of doubt, it is better to practice those problems also. So just by neglecting only the problems based on equation of tangent and equation of normal, so try to concentrate on all other problems. And coming to the weightage of this chapter, we are having one VSAQ and one SAQ. One VSAQ and one SAQ are going to get, that means 2 plus 4, which is nothing but 6 marks weightage is there from hyperbola. So this is the, once again let us go through a glance here. From circle chapter we are going to get 33 marks, 3 LAQs, 2 SAQs and 2 VSAQs. And system of circles, 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ, 1 VSAQ, total 13 marks weightage. And parabola, 1 LAQ, 1 VSAQ, 9 marks weightage. Ellipse, 2 SAQs, 8 marks. Hyperbola, 1 VSAQ, 1 SAQ, 6 marks weightage is there. Okay. Now coming to the next chapter, calculus part, that is integration. So coming to this chapter, so deleted syllabus is there from this chapter. Actually what they have mentioned is integration by parts onwards, but integration by parts has been deleted in integration chapter, but we are having some problems based on integration by parts in definite integration. So that's why even in if you see the model paper also, in model paper actually they have mentioned that the integration by parts has been deleted, but in a definite integration chapter even they have given one problem also, integral 0 to pi by 2 x square sin x dx. In model paper if you observe 17th problem in SAQs. So that is the reason it is better to go through once how to know, how to do the problems method, it is better to know. So in the integration chapter itself how to do the problems based on integration by parts. And integration by using the partial fractions method is also deleted. and reduction formula completely deleted. So that's why even reduction formula has been deleted in integration and definite integration. That's why those who are preparing only for IPE, no need to go for reduction formula in both the chapters, integration and definite integration. So, but just to go through the integration by parts problems, why? Because it will be helpful in definite integration chapter. Definite integration chapter, they have not deleted those problems. So that is the reason. Even I observed in the model paper itself, one problem came based on the integration by parts in definite integration. So that's why better to do the by parts problems at least one or two. So this is the deleted portion. If you see the, this is according to the Telugu Academy textbook. If you see the deleted portion in Deepthi textbook, so integration by partial fractions method is exercise 6.3 SAQ 1, 2, 3 has been deleted. Exercise 6.3 SAQ 1, 2, 3 completely deleted. By partial fractions it is there. Next, coming to the integration by parts. Integration by parts problems are there in exercise 6.5. In exercise 6.5 we are having an integration by parts problem. So integration by parts also we can neglect in integration chapter, but that is I told you already previously also. So that is there in a definite integration chapter. That's why practice those problems, but don't spend more time. And coming to the next, reduction formula. So reduction formula means exercise 6.6 and theorems before exercise 6.6 totally deleted. That is theorem numbers 6.6.1 in Deepthi textbook. Theorem number 6.6.1 onwards up to theorem number 6.6.9. All these theorems has been deleted because reduction formula has deleted. So this is regarding the deleted syllabus in integration chapter. Now coming to the weightage of this chapter. So what is the weightage of this chapter? Let us see here. So 2 VSAQs. So 2 VSAQs we are going to get from this chapter, and similarly 3 LAQs this time. 3 LAQs we are having from integration chapter, but no SAQ is given from this chapter. No SAQ is given from this chapter according to the model paper given in Telangana State BIE website. So we are having the weightage of this chapter as now 2 plus 4 plus 3 into 7, 21. That means 25 marks weightage is there for integration chapter. 25 marks weightage is there for integration chapter. I think this is the second highest weightage chapter. So for circles already we have discussed 33 marks weightage is there for circles, and integration 25 marks weightage. So combined these two chapters we are going to get 58 marks paper from these two chapters only, that is circles and integration. So concentrate more on these two chapters. So this is the weightage of integration chapter. And now coming to the next chapter is definite integration. Definite integration. So in this chapter again we are having the deleted syllabus, definite integration. If you see, according to the Telugu Academy textbook, they have given exercise 7B section 2, 8 to 15 onwards, and 7.5 reduction formula, 7.6 application of definite integrals to areas. According to the Telugu Academy textbook, they have given this one. So if we see, according to the Telugu Academy textbook, already it is available. Now coming to the Deepthi textbook, if you see that in Deepthi textbook, whatever is been deleted is exercise 7.1 and 7.2. You have to concentrate on 7.1 and 7.2 completely. If you see the 7.2 exercise, we are having integration by parts problems also. That's why better to concentrate on integration by parts also in integration chapter. And coming to the here 7.3 is completely deleted according to the Deepthi textbook. According to the Deepthi textbook, 7.3 completely deleted. Why? Because it is based on reduction formula. And coming to the definite integral as a limit of summation, exercise 7.4 also completely deleted. Exercise 7.4 also completely deleted. And exercise 7.5 areas, so that is also deleted. So that means only you have to concentrate on exercise 7.1 and 7.2. So most of the syllabus has been deleted from this chapter, definite integration. 7.3, 7.4, 7.5. 7.3 is from based on reduction formula. 7.4 is sum of limits. And coming to the 7.5 areas, so all these three exercises has under the deleted portion. That's why we need to concentrate more on exercise 7.1 and 7.2 in Deepthi textbook. Now coming to the weightage of the chapter, from this chapter we are going to get, yes, more weightage is also there in the chapter, definite integration. 2 VSAQs are there from this chapter, and similarly 2 SAQs, 2 VSAQs and 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ. 2 VSAQs, 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ we are going to get from this chapter. That means if you see the weightage of the chapter, 4 plus 2 SAQs means 8 plus 7 1 LAQ. So 4 plus 8 plus 12, 12 plus 7, 19 marks weightage is there from definite integration chapter. 19 marks weightage is there from definite integration chapter. That means integration and definite integration combinedly we are going to get 34 marks. And circles, if you include 33, 34 plus 33, 67 marks we are going to get from these three chapters. And coming to the next chapter, differential equations. So from this chapter, most of the syllabus has been deleted, differential equations. Why? Because differential equations. Why? Because here what he has mentioned is, according to the Telugu Academy textbook, they are under the deleted syllabus: homogeneous differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation, linear differential equation. So homogeneous deleted, non-homogeneous is deleted, and linear differential equation is also deleted. That means we are having only variable separable method. Only variable separable method and formation of differential equations and finding the order and degree of the differential equations. So if we see the model paper also, almost all problems are from, yes, in VSAQ we are having order and degree only, and coming to the SAQ based on variable separable method. Even LAQ is also there from this chapter. LAQ is also variable separable method. So that means we need to concentrate according to the Deepthi textbook. I hope only 8.1 and 8.2 exercises we need to concentrate. 8.1 is formation of differential equations and finding the order and degree, and next coming to the exercise 8.2 is on variable separable method. That's why we need to concentrate on exercise 8.1 and 8.2 more from this differential equation chapter. Coming to the weightage of this chapter, if we see the weightage of this chapter, 1 VSAQ we are going to get, 1 VSAQ and 2 SAQs. 2 SAQs we are going to get and 1 LAQ. So that means we are going to get 1 VSAQ, 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ. That means how many marks we are going to get? 2 plus 8 plus 7. So that is 17 marks. Weightage is there from differential equation chapter. So we are going to get 1 VSAQ, 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ. So even syllabus is less but marks are more. So if you see the differential equation chapter, it is better to concentrate on this chapter. Why? Because the syllabus is very less. Why? Because we are having a homogeneous equation is deleted under deleted portion, non-homogeneous equation is under deleted portion, even linear differential equations are also under deleted portion. So that's why we have to concentrate on variable separable only remaining and formation of differential equations. So better to concentrate more on this chapter. Also easy to get 17 marks. Why? Because 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ, 1 VSAQ according to the model paper given in the TSBAE website. Whatever I have discussed, so this is completely based on only the model paper analysis. Only the model paper analysis, whatever they kept in the TSBAE website. Just I am analyzing the model paper. That's it. I am not sure that whether exactly you are going to get like this only, but this is the according to the model paper given in the TSBAE website. So be concentrate and try to get good marks. Let us see now the chapter wise weightage. So completely each and every chapter. Right. Now let us see the chapter wise weightage now. Let us take this one. VSAQs from circle chapter. We are going to get 2 VSAQs as I told you already earlier, and 2 SAQs and 3 LAQs we are going to get from this chapter. So total 3 into 7, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 4, 33 marks weightage is there from circle chapter. So highest weightage I think from Maths 2B. So and coming to the system of circles, so 1 VSAQ, 1 SAQ and 1 LAQ. So 13 marks weightage is there from system of circle chapter. And coming to the next chapter, parabola. Parabola we are having 1 VSAQ, no SAQ, 1 LAQ, and this is 9 marks weightage. And coming to the ellipse, so ellipse we are having only 2 VSAQs, only 2 VSAQs we are going to get. So that's why the weightage of this chapter is 8 marks. And coming to the hyperbola, we are having 1 VSAQ, one SAQ. So one VSAQ, one SAQ, no weightage of LAQs from this chapter. So that's why 2 plus 4, 6 marks weightage is there from hyperbola chapter. And coming to the next chapter is integration. So coming to the integration, so 2 VSAQs, no SAQ, and 3 LAQs we are having from this chapter. So 3 into 7, 21 plus 4, 25 marks weightage is there from this chapter. 25 marks weightage is from this chapter. And coming to the next chapter, that is definite integration. 2 VSAQs and 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ we are going to get from definite integration chapter, that is 7 plus 8, 15 plus 4, 19 marks weightage is there from definite integration. So 25 plus 19, 44 marks weightage is there from these two chapters, including circles. We are going to get 77 marks from these 3 chapters. So circles no deleted syllabus, but integration and definite integration even syllabus is deleted, but even though weightage is more, so that's why concentrate on these 2 chapters along with circles. So next coming to the differential equations, if you see 1 VSAQ and 2 SAQs and 1 LAQ we are going to get from this chapter, that is 7 plus 8, 15 plus 2, 17 marks weightage is there from this chapter. So if we see, so this is the chapter wise weightage. So highest weightage is 33 marks circles and 25 marks integration. Next to that 19 marks definite integration and 17 marks differential equation. So suppose if you concentrate only on the calculus part also, you are going to get 25 plus 19, 44, 51 and 61 marks. 61 marks weightage is there from the calculus chapter itself. Now coming to, let us count. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 VSAQs. You have to write all the 10 VSAQs. There is no choice. And coming to the SAQs, 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 6, 10 VSAQs. 10 SAQs will be given. You have to write only 5 SAQs. And coming to the LAQs, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 LAQs will be given. And you have to write only 5 LAQs. So this is the analysis of model paper. It is the analysis of the model paper given in Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education website. So this is model paper analysis of latest model paper whatever they kept in the BIE website. So we can't say that exactly like this only will get, but I think according to this format only they are going to give the question paper also. So this is the model paper analysis of the paper kept in the TSBI website. And I wish you all the best for Maths 2B exam. So all of you go through this weightages and prepare well. Okay, right.